Every day, Robert wakes up on time, goes to work, earns honestly, comes back home, and spends responsibly. He doesn't gamble, he doesn't waste money on luxury, he doesn't live beyond his means. By every standard, Robert is doing everything right. So why does he still feel broke? Why does his bank account never grow? One night, sitting alone, he opens his bank app and stares at the balance. And for the first time, he asks a dangerous question. Where is my money actually going? What he discovers changes everything. Because the problem wasn't big mistakes, it was silent money drains. The first silent money drain was convenience. Robert orders food after work. A simple meal costs $10, but after delivery fees, service charges, and tips, it becomes $20. It doesn't feel like a decision. It feels like a normal day. But he does it 3 to 4 times a week. That's over $1,500 a year, not on food, but just on convenience.
The second silent money drain, subscriptions. Robert signed up to watch one show, then forgot to cancel. Now he's paying every month for something he barely uses. And it's not just one. Music apps, storage plans, random trials. Each one small. Together, huge. Money leaving silently every month. The third one hit harder. Sales. 50% off. Robert thinks he's saving money. But the truth? He wasn't going to buy it anyway. He didn't save $50. He spent $50. Then came another silent money drain. Small price differences. An extra dollar here, a few extra there. He never cared. But over hundreds of purchases, that small difference becomes thousands. The next one shocked him the most. His savings account. He thought he was being responsible, but inflation was quietly eating his money. His balance looked bigger, but its value was shrinking. He wasn't growing his money. He was slowly losing it.
Then came something personal. Being too nice. Don't worry, I'll pay. It's okay, keep it. Robert never asked for money back. Not because he couldn't, but because it felt awkward. Over time, those small amounts added up, and nobody even noticed, except his bank account. Then he calculated something scary. Daily lunch, $10 a day. Sounds normal, but over a year, that's thousands for just one meal that he never even thought about. Then came upgrades, new phone, new gadget. The old one worked perfectly, but it felt outdated, and that feeling cost him a lot. And finally, the simplest mistake, late payments. Not because he didn't have money, because he forgot. Late fees, lower credit score, higher future costs, all because of delay.
Robert sat there, looking at everything, and suddenly it made sense. It was never one big mistake. It was 100 small ones. Invisible, normal, daily routine. And that's what made them dangerous. That night, Robert made one decision, not to earn more, but to stop the silent money drains. Because money doesn't disappear all at once. It disappears quietly, every single day. If you feel broke, even after doing everything right, maybe it's not your income, maybe it's your habits.